The free Excel course that you're about to watch is just a small part of Microsoft Office full course bundle. So if you want to also master Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint with my teaching style and also be able to gain a certificate of completion for the course you're watching, you can feel free to tap the first link in the description right now and join us over there in a fraction of cost. Also mentionable that this course is brought up to you by the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available to the traditional education. With all that being said, I'm very excited to get started, so let's go. So after all, I'm headed over to the alignment section. So as you see, we have cells over here, and these cells have alignments. And those alignments, as you can guess, are due to those cells that they are positioned in. So in order to make alignments, we can just select at first, just like how we do it all the time. And over here inside the alignment section, as you see, we have plenty of options. So we can align everything to center, align everything to left, align everything to right, and we can as well vertically align them, as you see, to middle, top, or bottom. We have certain options of giving angles to our text. So as you see, I can make it like this, or vertical text, These are all these styles that I can give my texts and my cells using this align section. Another thing that is settable and possible over here is the setting of our text direction. So it can be either left to right or right to left, and it can be either applied to one single cell or the entire of our project. And in order to do that, so in order to apply this to the entire of our project, first you need to select everything. And if you don't know that, in order to select everything inside Excel, you just need to come here and click on this little thing that we have over here. And this will make a selection of the entire of our spreadsheet. So every single existing thing inside the software. The next thing that we have over here is the styles section. So at first I make a selection of this table that I created, and opening this styles up, as you see, I am able to choose between all those styles and options and presets that this section is providing me with. So I can, for example, select this row of mine and come here and say, I want to use this heading style for it. Sorry, these three are enough, not the entire row. So I say this heading thing, and for this part, for this bottom part, I say I want you all to look like this. And as you see, these are all settable through this styles section over here. We also have format as table. So this is when I'm selecting as what I just did. So I'm selecting an entire table and I want to format it. And these are the different options that this part provides us with. So in order to do that, I need to make a selection of my table, just like what I did, and choose one of these presets that we have over here. And it asks us that where is the data for your table. So this is how addressing works inside Excel. I am going to go through that completely in this lesson, but let's skip that. What is written here, it's just an address to the entire table that we have. And you can check or uncheck my table has headers, and by clicking OK, as you see, we will be headed forward to the table design, as now we have a table over here. As you see, whatever style that I'm choosing is being mixed with what I had selected over here. So here I set it to normal, and now as you see, all these table design styles are applicable, all these presets, and I can have my table just like that over here.